Hello you guys, so today I'll be doing my nails with the Complete Salon Acrylic Kit. In the box we have nail forms, the Kiss Glue, the acrylic primer, the acrylic liquid, the nail powder, the scent, the dapping dish, and a buffer. Here we have the instructions, the nail file, the acrylic brush, and a cuticle stick, and your nail tips. First, I'll be wiping my nails down with alcohol. I'll be filing my nails. Next, I'll be pushing back my cuticles. So this nail kit, you can find it at Walmart, Walgreens, or CVS for around $16 to $17. Next, I'll be going in with my file and filing the back of my cuticles. Then I'll be taking the soft side of the file and filing my entire nail. Now this is optional. I'll be going in and cutting my cuticles. After that, I'll once again spray down my nails with alcohol and wipe them down. Now I'll be sizing my nails with the tips. Next, I'll be gluing down my tips. So I decided not to shape my nails because I'll do that after I apply the acrylic. So here I'm showing you guys that I will be filing down the nail tip. Next, I'll be adding my nail primer. And now I'll be adding my acrylic liquid. Now on the instructions it said to add 2 to 5 drops. Now, it was really hard applying the acrylic with this itty bitty brush, but I wanted to use what I had and what had came in the box. So I know that everybody's different when they apply their acrylic, and as you guys will see that I go back in my liquid and I wet my brush because I don't like my brush to be dry or my beads to be dry. And since this brush is so small, and when I go in and pick up the bead in my powder, it like sucks it all in. Now on this nail I'll be showing you guys an easy way to lay down your acrylic with the 3-ball method. After I'm done, I'm going to go in with my file and shape my nails and file the top.